Alright, scholars, it's time for the plot quiz. Let's put our notes and knowledge into action. All the notes you've been taking throughout this lesson, all of the slideshow and videos that are connected are resources for you. You can use all of it to answer the 15 plot questions that are on this Romeo and Juliet plot quiz form. So you can go ahead and click on that link. It'll send you right here. Follow all of the prompts, including your name and class period. Then go through each one of the questions and answer them to the best of your ability using all the resources that you have. That way we can make sure that we are getting the essential information out of each of these summaries before moving into the final part of the lesson. Alright? Go ahead, take the plot quiz, and then I'll meet you on the next slides.